Hello, welcome to Code Decipher. Today we are going to look into permission denied error whenever you are trying to add your files to Git. So if I say git add counting in the Amazon app and hit enter, then I'm getting an error that basically says .vs location permission denied, unable to index file counting in the Amazon app .vs. So this .vs folder is where you keep temporary files, and it's locked to Visual Studio, so we cannot access this file. That's why we're getting this error. In order to fix this error, we need to ignore adding .vs files. So first thing to do is go to your file explorer, go to your location, and if you've got git ignore files, it becomes really easy. If you do not have git ignore files in here, I'm trying to add this counting in the Amazon app to my Git. Since I cannot see git ignore file, what I'll do is I'll open up Notepad and save this Notepad as, go to your file location, save as all files, and click on .git ignore. So this should be the name of the file. Once I hit save, it will save the file as a git ignore file. Save. Now all I need to do is just type in .vs and save it. So what this will do is this will ignore the .vs folder. And if you already have a git ignore file, then all you need to do is just open up that git ignore file and just add this .vs into your existing git ignore file and save it. So I'll just save it and exit. Now if I hit the git add command, then it should be added. We did not get any errors this time. So if I go to git status, then all of these files have been added. You can see that. So we have successfully resolved this error. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy coding.